You ever roll out of bed and feel like your body hasn't caught up with your brain? Like your spirit's ready, but your legs are stuck in yesterday? This is how we reset that. Let's hit the mat. Let's get the heart rate up and the joints moving with control. Stand tall, drive one knee towards your chest, alternate like a marching band, but stay grounded and intentional. Engage your core and pull the ribs in. This isn't just cardio, it's activation. Beginners, slow the pace and keep it soft. Advanced, add a quick pulse or arms up overhead. Here's what's surprising. This simple march rewires your nervous system for better gait and posture. You're not just warming up, you're recalibrating your stride. Feel that it? If not, lift the knee higher and exhale with control. That just woke up your hips. Now let's unlock your hamstrings. Still feel tight from sitting all day yesterday? This one breaks that chain. Jog in place, but kick your heels up towards your glutes. Stay light on your feet, chest lifted, arms swinging softly. Beginners, march in place with a soft heel tap. Advanced, speed it up with a slide forward lean. A tight quad can silently pull your hips out of alignment. I promise the stretch resets that imbalance before it causes tension down the chain. Let's go 5 more seconds like you're kicking off yesterday's stress. That just fired up your back line. Now let's ignite the core. This is where your brain and core sync up. Stand tall, bring one knee up and your opposite elbow down to meet it. Alternate sides like you're crunching upright. Control every rep. Beginners, keep it slow and stable. Advanced, speed it up, but don't lose form. What most people don't realize, your posture and mental clarity both start at the core. And this activates it from standing, not just the floor. Still with me? Press your abs into your spine. Exhale with every crunch. That just activated your center. Now let's challenge your balance. Now we move laterally because life isn't lived in straight lines. Step out to the right, sink into the hip while keeping the other leg straight. Push back up and switch sides. Beginners, shorten your step and depth. Advanced, go deeper and pause at the bottom. This movement opens up your adductors and hips, which are usually the first thing to tighten from desk life. I promise this gives your lower body the space it needs to move with power. Five more seconds. Don't just move. Feel the floor push back. That just prepped your legs. Now let's finish with the challenge. Last move. Let's make it count. This one brings it all together. Stability, control, energy. Step your right leg behind your left like a curtsy. Reach toward the opposite foot. Bounce back and switch sides with rhythm. Beginners, keep your back foot grounded. Advanced, add speed and get low for the full challenge. Skater moves build coordination and core control across your whole body. And when done in the morning, they switch your mind from slow to sharp. You've got 5 seconds left. Match each step with a breath. That just fired up your engine. Now carry that into your day.